Anna's Wish. In a small, whimsical town where colors danced and laughter echoed through the streets, there lived a girl named Anna. She was full of dreams, laughter, and wonder. But there was something missing in Anna's heart, a lingering wish that tugged at her whenever she gazed at the clouds or listened to the pitter patter of rain on her window. She longed for the days of her childhood, those carefree times when life was a playtime adventure. One rainy day, as the sky draped itself in a silvery grey and raindrops performed their sweet symphony, Anna wandered into a beautiful garden. The flowers adorned with glistening droplets looked like jewels sparkling in a sea of green. As Anna trotted through the lush paths, her mind danced with thoughts of simpler times, when her biggest worry was whether she would catch the biggest puddle to jump into. Oh, how I wish I could be a little girl again, just for a day. Anna sighed aloud, twiddling under the gentle rain. Out of the swirling mist appeared a gentle gleam of light, flickering like a whispered secret. From the shimmering glow of emerged a tiny figure with beautiful wings that danced with all the colors of the rainbow, a butterfly fairy named Philia.
Did I hear a wish? I have the power to grant a single wish. What do you desire, dear one?
Startled yet enchanted, Anna wiped the raindrops from her face and stared into Philia's merry, twinkling eyes.
I wish I could be a little girl again, just for one day. I want to play in the rain and relive my glorious childhood memories.
The fairy laughed, a tinkling sound that melted like warm sunshine.
Very well, dear Anna. Just for one day, you shall return to the joy and innocence of your childhood. But remember, the day is a magical gift, and it shall last only until the stars twinkle in the sky above.
With a wave of her sparkling wand, Philia surrounded Anna in a cloud of enchanting dust, and in a blink Anna felt herself shrinking, her clothes transforming into a red raincoat with big rubber boots that swished delightfully with each step. She looked down at her hands, now small like that of a playful child.
Yay! Thank you! Thank you! Can we go play?
The garden, now alive with the sounds of giggles and splashes, was filled with children just like Anna, freckless and smiles, laughter bubbling from the depths of their hearts. They danced in the raindrops. Come on, Anna, one girl called, splashing through a puddle, sending glittering waves of water everywhere. Let's jump together. Anna dashed ahead, her heart racing with uncontainable excitement. She joined the children, leaping into puddles, each splash sending droplets fluttering like tiny fairies around them. Can you believe we get to play in the rain? One boy asked. As they raced each other around the garden, their laughter mingling with the sound of the rain. It's the best day ever. Oars flew by like butterflies in a summer field. They played tags, built makeshift boats, and sailed them on the puddles. They picked the soggy petals of flowers and turned them into colorful crowns, decorating each other's heads with nature's finest art. Anna, filled with joy, felt light and free, her heart soaring as she relived the happiest moments of her childhood. She could feel the magic filling her spirit, the kind of bliss that only comes when playtime knows no end. No worries, no fears. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in warm hues of orange and purple, Philia appeared again.
Dear Anna, the day is nearly done. The stars will soon emerge to light the sky.
Anna felt a twinge of sadness within her, knowing her time as a little girl was drawing to an end. She looked around at her new friends, the cheerful laughter fading into echoes.
Can I stay just a little longer?
Anna implored, her eyes wide and earnest. Philia smiled, a sparkling tear gleaming on her cheek.
You have made memories today that will last a lifetime. Remember this joy, dear one. It will always live in your heart. Now, close your eyes. It's time to return.
With a heavy heart, Anna closed her eyes and thought of the laughter, the splashes, the carefree spirit of the day. And when she opened her eyes again, she was back, standing tall and grown up, but filled with the memories of laughter. The rain had stopped, leaving a sweet, earthy scent in the air. As Anna glanced around, she saw the shimmering glow of Philia. Thank you, Philia. I will carry this day in my heart forever, she called out, her voice echoing softly as her heart swelled with gratitude. Anna turned to her grandparents' cozy house. Though she had returned to her age, she carried with her the spirit of her youth, joyful, fearless, and boundless. And so, every time the rain danced on the rooftops, Anna would smile, recollecting that magical day when a butterfly fairy sprinkled her with wonder and joy, reminding her that childhood was not just a time of life but a treasure.